Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. Thanks to everybody who has been subscribing and leaving comments. Thank you very much. This is just a quick unboxing of my first G-Shock in this box. It's a G-Shock I've had an eye on for a while, and I was sort of tracking it, but it hadn't really changed in price. And then I got an email about a sale from a UK jewellers called H. Samuel, and they're currently having the big watch sale. Now, it's the 24th of September. This is the H. Samuel website. So we'll click into men's watches. You'll find plenty on there. I'll put a link to this watch in. If I'm going to filter it by G-Shock, so we get to it. And here we go. Down to $49.99 from £99. But there's a little trick with this, that if you leave it for a few seconds, you will get a pop-up appear. And if you join their mailing list, if you're not already on it, they will send you a 10% voucher. So fill that in with your email address, obviously. Wait about 15-20 minutes. You'll get an email come through with 10% off, and you can get this. And this is the DW5600BB-1ER. So that's what I did yesterday. It arrived today because it was next day delivery, which was brilliant. And this is it. This is the box. I have just peeled the front off just here, but I haven't done anything else. Right, let's get this kind of out of the way. Oh, very nice. It feels good to gift. Well, it was a gift to myself, to be fair, so let's have a look in here. Oh, that's all stuck down. Okay. Yep. Oh, and there we go. The classic G-Shock box. Let me just get this box out of the way. And here we go. I guess that's their reference numbers rather than anything else. I'll pop the box off. DW5600BB-1ER. Let's take a look. There we go, the classic G-Shock tin, I'm led to believe. As I say, my first one. Let's pop this out. And what we got here? CASIO English disposal of... There we go, the instruction book. Wow, that is thick. I don't think I'm going to be reading through that an awful lot. Yeah, how do I get this out? Oh, it just pops through there. Oh, okay, I wasn't expecting it to come that way. And here we go. This is a homage, apparently, to the original G-Shock. And there we go. So I really like this one because it's kind of a stealth look. I really like that negative display on it. I haven't worked out all the functions yet. Yeah, I've got to work out all the functions. It's got stopwatch, multifunction alarm, 200 meters of water resistance as well. So I just love it because it's just so simple. There's so many different G-Shocks around, to be honest. But this is one I like because it was, I say, that sort of stealth look. Strap. Oh, he says trying to get it undone. Okay, I better pop it on straight away then, I suppose. Just get that first wrist shot. Just take the watch off I'm wearing at the minute, which is a review coming soon. Let's put this one on. Oh, that's nice. Ah, he says trying to get the strap on. Oh, and there we go. Very subtle. Very subtle indeed. It's got that light on it. You won't pick that up in here. It's too bright at the minute, to be quite honest. But there we go. That's my first G-Shock. Feels really comfortable on the wrist already. I've got a couple of holes extra as well, so I can play around with that. But how stealth does that look? I love it. Brilliant. Anyway, I just wanted to get this up just because this deal is on now. It's the 24th of September 2022. I'll put a link in the description. Remember to use that voucher code as well to get an extra £5 off. So you'll get it for £45. I just think that's an absolute steal for a genuine G-Shock. Anyway, thanks to everybody that's been subscribing recently. Now, if you don't like this watch, you might like this watch. Casio Duro. I've recently done a review of this, which I will put somewhere up here. So go and take a look at that. Speak soon. Bye.